We at Rivulis chose Titan as our branding agency when we were working on the new visual language based upon our new messaging story. I wanted a company, an agency that has experience working with a global company, meaning as Rivulis we operate in 120 different countries. I needed an agency that had the cultural and language sensitivities in designing a visual language. I also was looking for an agency that has experience with real-world products and understands the various marketing materials that are required for real-world products. It's very different if it's an online service or an e-commerce site. I have products that I need to package. I have farmers who like printed materials. And finally, as Rivulis was a young brand of only 3 years, I didn't want to throw out logo and name that we had invested in so much in building brand awareness these past 3 years. I'd also, through the spinoff from John Deere Water, I inherited incredible images and other Markham assets that I wanted to benefit from and leverage. Titan was open and flexible and willing to work with my constraints.